Hello, I'm Sam, Sales Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the Series 616KD-LR Low-Range Differential Pressure Transmitter. Dwyer's cost-effective and simple-to-use 616KD-LR can be utilized to monitor low pressure in applications such as air handlers, duct pressure, and filter monitoring. The Series 616KD-LR eliminates the need for calibration devices and references by featuring a digital push button for proper calibration of zero. By alleviating cumbersome turn pots, calibration of the instrument can be completed in seconds, saving countless hours installing and maintaining over the service life. This pressure transmitter features an updated enclosure with an integral DIN mount for an effortless setup. All models can be installed on a 35mm DIN rail via its side or back DIN rail clips. In addition, the compact size of the 616KD-LR makes a suitable choice for OEM applications where space is limited. Each unit can be wired for a 4 to 20 milliamp or customer-selected voltage output, but can also use a simultaneous current and voltage operation where control signaling and monitoring feedback are both needed. It also features two integral process connections with options for 1/8 inch barbed or 1/8 inch female NPT to match installation connections. The Series 616KD-LR differential pressure transmitter was designed for simplicity, with the intention of making it the ideal choice for installers and maintenance professionals. The wide selection of low ranges, accuracy, and other options to cover numerous applications help to minimize components and standardize design. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.